Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to give you a selection of the best platforms to build a course on at the beginning of 2026. You've got a few choices, but there are some clear options, clear winners out there. I've got a ton of experience in this space. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So what are the best platforms out there for building a course and membership website at the beginning of 2026? Right, let's start off. I see that there's two basic buckets here for you. There's WordPress and there's SaaS, software as a service. In WordPress, you have plugins. They're kind of modules. You have the core of WordPress and you can bolt on modules, which are called plugins. And in the WordPress space, you have about 2 to 3 major plugins modules that allow you to build courses. Really great. And in the world of SaaS, you've got a number of options, but I really see 3 to 4 clear winners in the SaaS space. Now, with WordPress, you've got a few more hoops to jump through. You've got to get a hosting provider. You've got to assemble these modules, these plugins, which is a little bit more work than a SaaS. But why should you care? Basically, you're going to get more ownership, more flexibility in design, and more control over costs and more control over your business with WordPress than using a SaaS. With a SaaS, it's going to be a bit easier to initially set up. You've got everything one with a slightly more unified interface. These are the core options from these two camps, these two buckets, and you've got to choose which priorities really are most important to you, connected to making the right choice. So let's look at the leaders in both. Let's start with WordPress. I see the clear leader being LifterLMS, one of the clear leaders in the WordPress bucket. It comes free, the core module, the core plugin. You can buy some additional services, and for around $150 a year, you can have a subscription-based, course-based business up and running. You do have to pay for the hosting and you will have to pay for some other additional plugins. One of the core will be the plugin that will allow you to actually build a website that will work with LifterLMS. But the costs and flexibility are going to be lower than the SaaS solutions that I'm going to point out. Let's look at a leading SaaS provider. I think Kajabi is one of the leaders in the space. They got, about a few months ago, they got rid of their really basic plan. Now it starts, if you're paying month to month, at slightly under $180 a month. You do get a lot of functionality with Kajabi. You're probably going to have to really look at the middle plan, which is just under $300 a month, in my opinion. But you are getting, and there are some other limitations with Kajabi, but you're getting a unified interface, and it's been around a few years. They've ironed out all the bugs mostly, and it's got an enormous amount of documentation, videos, written documentation. The onboarding experience is pretty good. You could say the same thing with WordPress and Lifter. There's a ton of educational material out there, written and especially on YouTube. but Kajabi is a clear leader. What's another good option? Now, if you're looking to build a more community focus with a forum, with an area that works like Facebook groups, in the WordPress space, the leader is Fluent Community. It really works and acts like School, which is very popular if you're trying to build a basic community platform. But Fluent Community offers that kind of functionality in the WordPress space. At WP-Tonic, we're very, very pro Fluent Community. We think it's an excellent solution, and it works really well with LifterLMS. LifterLMS can do the courses, Fluent Community can do the community part of the job. It's a powerful combination. Now, if you're looking to build community on SaaS, I think one of the best options is Circle. Now, Circle and until about a few months ago had one weakness. You couldn't actually build a website on Circle. You had to use something like WordPress or Squarespace or whatever your poison was, and you put Circle on a subdomain. They've now introduced a website builder. I wouldn't say it's the best out there. I think Kajabi is probably better, but it's not bad either. Now, in the SaaS space, the main competitor to Circle is Mighty Networks. I actually think Circle is a superior product to Mighty Networks myself. They've got some really good features. What you got to really decide, do you want the ownership and flexibility of WordPress, or do you want a more unified interface which you're going to get with Circle? Both, depending on your experience of setting up platforms, they're both, in my opinion, similar in complexity to set up. Some people would disagree with me and say the SaaS solution is easier, but I think that's, I wouldn't say a lie, but it really depends on your experience, right? Like I said, but Circle compared to Mighty Networks, you are going to find it easier to set up, in my opinion, than Mighty Networks. What are some other good options? Well, in the WordPress space, you've got LearnDash. You are going to have to use a membership plugin with LearnDash. There's a number of options. The one I would go with LearnDash is Sure Members. That adds a slightly more complex setup than if you go with LifterLMS, but it's not particularly difficult. That Sure Members works really great with LearnDash, and that combination is a great combination as well. I think with that combination, it really competes just as well with Lifter. But if you're looking for the community element, I think Lifter with Fluent Community is a great choice. Now, in the SaaS space, again, you got something like Teachable. It's been established longer. I don't think when you're looking at functionality, it can really compete with Kajabi. I think if you're going to go the SaaS route, I think you really should look at Kajabi rather than with Teachable. Another good runner-up is Podia. I think if you don't like what Kajabi is offering, you should look at Podia, but it is more cut down, but it's simpler to set up. On the WordPress side, if you're looking for something more simpler, and you don't require the community elements either, another great solution is Creator LMS. It really, in the WordPress space, it's really the competitor to Podia. If you're looking to get something set up that's more simple. basically. Now, there's a lot more offerings, but what I've outlined in this video are what I see at the beginning of 2026 are the clear leaders, the clear choices that you should really look at. Like I say, you've got these two major buckets. You've got WordPress or you've got SaaS. But what I've outlined in these videos, I honestly feel are the leaders. Now, if you're looking for more information on everything I've outlined in this video, you'll find a link in the video description that I've written an article that gives you a lot more information, the prices, the links and everything else. And if you found this video useful, give us a like and think about subscribing to this channel. A lot of you are watching these videos, but only about 20 to 25% of you are subscribing to the channel. And that will really help me if you do subscribe, because it shows Google that I'm doing something right. So if you could do that, I'd be really appreciative. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.